Welcome to this video, where I'll show you how to quickly and easily get travel insurance using the Goose Insurance website. Whether you're new to buying travel insurance or simply looking for a fast, reliable solution, Goose Insurance makes the process straightforward and user-friendly. Let's start with an overview of the Goose Insurance site. On the homepage, you'll immediately notice its clean design and easy navigation, which allows you to get insurance quotes and plans within minutes. Goose Insurance specializes in providing affordable, flexible coverage for a variety of travel needs, including medical emergencies, trip cancellations, and more. One of the most notable advantages of using Goose Insurance is its simplicity. The platform lets you enter your trip details, receive a quote, and purchase coverage entirely online. For travelers who want to avoid the hassle of lengthy paperwork or confusing terms, Goose Insurance is a great option. However, while the website is user-friendly, it's essential to carefully review each plan's details to ensure it meets your specific travel requirements. Now, let's talk about the pricing. Goose Insurance offers competitive rates based on your travel destination, age, and trip duration. For example, short trips within North America tend to have lower premiums, while longer trips abroad may have higher costs. However, with Goose Insurance, you can customize your plan based on your needs, ensuring you only pay for the coverage you actually require. As we navigate through the site, we come to the insurance plan comparison section. This is where you can clearly see the different levels of coverage available. Goose provides multiple options to fit various budgets. Whether you're looking for basic travel medical coverage or more comprehensive plans that include trip interruption and lost baggage protection. If you're unsure which plan to choose, I recommend trying out a partner service called Active Traveling. Active Traveling is known for offering equally reliable and affordable insurance options, and their plans can be a great alternative if you want to compare choices. Check them out through the link in the description for more information. Once you've chosen your plan on Goose Insurance, all that's left is to fill in your personal details, review your plan, and complete your purchase. It's that simple. You'll receive your insurance policy via email within moments, and you can rest easy knowing that you're covered for your next trip. Now that you've seen how easy it is to get travel insurance with Goose Insurance, make sure to subscribe to this channel for more helpful guides, and don't forget to like this video.